everyone, and thank you for joining me in another Clean With Me video. In today's video I am doing the downstairs as usual, which includes the living room, dining room, kitchen, as well as bathrooms today. Last week I was sick, so I took the week off, but I have an extreme Clean With Me video for you guys right now, and if you guys enjoy it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Belle, and if you are a returning user, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. If this is not your first video of mine and you are not subscribed yet, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. I would love for you guys to join my YouTube family. Leave me lots of love down in the comments below. And if you enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. So let's get started. I'm not going to talk too much through this video, just because I realized a lot of my videos people seem to prefer less talking. But I do want to address some things. People wonder why I only clean the downstairs at my house. Well, my partner is in a master's program right now, so the upstairs is dictated by his office, which is basically just a folding table in the middle of the master bedroom. In the other room is the cat room, and there's not much in that either. Sometimes I go up there and I'll vacuum and clean for my videos, but it's really not that interesting. But if you guys are interested in a upstairs clean with me, I will try to get that done for you. I do have a nice bed set that I just got, and I am working on getting some cat furniture for that cat room. So if you are interested in watching my cat room makeover, hit subscribe as well as the bell so you don't miss that update. I feel like my living room is slowly coming together. I'm starting to like it more and more. I do have a new couch coming. I think I mentioned that in a couple videos ago. And I'm finally decorating the walls. I found a lot of things that I really like, and you guys have probably seen me adding things here and there. So there's that big update. Also, I started my garden. If you guys are interested in some gardening videos, let me know down in the comments below, as well as some vegetarian recipes. I have come up with so many. My favorite one so far is tofu dumpling soup, and it is absolutely amazing, and it is vegan. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know as well. Anyways, I really hope you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you are interested, please make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. just cleaned the whole living room, and this one's already in her toy box looking for something to play with. Julep, are you gonna make a mess in my living room? What did you find? A bracelet? Hmm? Good girl. My house was a little more dirtier than it usually is. As I mentioned, I was sick last week and I was just really taking it easy. I do have a couple collabs coming up as well as some product reviews that I need to do for you guys. But I just wanted to make sure that I got my house clean because, as always, a messy house, a messy mind. And basically when I clean, it brings me joy, it makes me happy. You guys probably get it at this point. So before I did anything, I needed to be productive, get my house in order. Let me know if you guys can relate, because before I can start any other projects, my house needs to be clean. So Shiloh was doing school on her tablet while I was cleaning, and I just figured I'd move the chairs out, get it vacuumed, and just kind of clean around her because I think she was doing her homework at this point. And she is doing so good this year. Her report card came back and it was amazing. She is doing so well with homeschooling. I am so proud of this little rugrat. She is so smart. But anyway, this dining room definitely needed to be done between her, the cats, and just foot traffic. It was a complete disaster and disgusting, and she does art class every Saturday, so there was paint all over the table from her creative endeavors, so I just want to make sure to get it all picked up and her paintings put away, and that way nothing got ruined. So let's talk about this bathroom before anyone kind of jumps on me and judges me. This bathroom has not been cleaned in a few weeks now, just because it is my least favorite room to clean. And I'm the only one who ever seems to clean it. Jerry cleans it sometimes, but because he is so busy, I kind of just look at it and walk away. It is so overwhelming. There was tons of toothpaste on the sink and cat hair, so I went in with bleach wipes, disinfectant wipes, shower cleaners, you name it. The bathroom was definitely spotless when I was done. So I really got down and dirty for this one, and I was not happy about it, but I was very relieved when it was done, and this is a so satisfying clean with me part, because it is just, was absolutely overwhelming to clean this bathroom. For the final steps in the bathroom, I am going in with my favorite air freshener. This stuff smells absolutely amazing, but with that being said, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in a extreme clean with me video. I will try to tackle more rooms in my next video, like my office and Shiloh's room, and maybe I'll even include the upstairs. Let me know if you guys want some laundry motivation. But anyways, I look forward to seeing you guys all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys all in the comments down below. Bye!